Civil Engineering Multiple Choice Questions in Building Materials. Part 4. Welcome back to CivTech Simplified. Introduction. This video is Part 4 of our ongoing Building Materials MCqs Civil Engineering Masterclass, where we're covering a total of 200 carefully selected multiple choice questions, MCqs, to support civil engineers in preparing for competitive exams. In this episode, we'll go through questions 151 to 200, presenting 50 exam-relevant multiple-choice questions on building materials. Each question is followed by a clearly highlighted correct answer to ensure smooth and effective learning. This video is presented to you by engineer Mohammed Imran Aziz, a practicing professional civil engineer with over 20 years of professional experience in the field. If you're looking for basic concepts, important definitions, and foundational understanding, we recommend watching Part 1 first. Watch here. MCqs, Part 4. Question 151. The coefficient of linear expansion of concrete is almost the same as that of steel. A. Correct. B. Incorrect. Correct option. A. Correct. 152. According to Indian standard specifications, the full strength of concrete is achieved after A. 7 days. B. 14 days. C. 21 days. D. 28 days. Correct option. D. 28 days. 153. According to Indian standard specifications, the concrete should be cured under a humidity of A. 30%, B. 50%, C. 70%, D. 90%. Correct option. D. 90%. 154. According to Indian standard specifications, the temperature for curing is A. 5 degrees Celsius, B. 10 degrees Celsius, C. 27 degrees Celsius, D. 42 degrees Celsius. Correct option. C. 27 degrees Celsius. 155. The slump test of concrete is used to measure its A. Consistency, B. Tensile and compressive strength, C. Impact value, D. Homogeneity. Correct option. A. Consistency. 156. The central part of a tree is called A. Heartwood, B. Pith, C. Sapwood, D. Cambium layer. Correct option. B. Pith. 157. The thin radial fibers extending from the pith to the cambium layer is called medullary. A. Yes, B. No. Correct option. A. Yes. 158. The defect caused due to overmaturity and unventilated storage of the wood during its transit is called A. Knot, B. Rind gall, C. Foxiness, D. Heartshake. Correct option. C. Foxiness. 159. The defect caused by imperfect seasoning is called A. Wet rot, B. Dry rot, C. Honeycombing, D. Cupshake. Correct option. C. Honeycombing. 160th. Seasoning of timber. A. Increases the weight of timber. B. Improves strength properties of timber. C. Does not give dimensional stability. D. All of these. Correct option. B. Improves strength properties of timber. 161. The purpose of seasoning of timber is to A. Change the direction of grains, B. Remove voids, C. Reduce moisture content, D. All of these. Correct option. C. Reduce moisture content. 162. The moisture content in timber for framework should not exceed A. 5%, B. 10%, C. 15%, D. 20%. Correct option. C. 15%. 163. The time required for air seasoning of soft wood is A. 15 to 30 days, B. 30 to 60 days, C. 60 to 90 days, D. 90 to 120 days. Correct option, C. 60 to 90 days. 164. The time required for seasoning of timber in kiln seasoning is A. 2 to 5 days, B. 5 to 10 days, C. 10 to 20 days, D. 20 to 40 days. Correct option, C. 10 to 20 days. 165. The timber whose thickness is less than 5 centimeters and the width exceeds 12 centimeters is called A. Board, B. Plank, C. Batten, D. Log. Correct option, A. Board. 166. The strength of timber is maximum in the direction to the grains. A. Parallel, B. Perpendicular. Correct option, A. Parallel. 167th. An assembled product made up of veneers and adhesives is called A. Board, B. Plank, C. Plywood, D. Batten. Correct option, C. Plywood. 168. The thickness of 5-ply sheet varies from A. 3 to 6 millimeters, B. 6 to 9 millimeters, C. 9 to 16 millimeters, D. 16 to 20 millimeters. Correct option, B. 6 to 9 millimeters. 169. The thickness of lamin boards vary from A. 5 to 2 millimeters, B. 12 to 15 millimeters, C. 12 to 25 millimeters, D. 25 to 30 millimeters. Correct. Option C. 12 to 25 millimeters. 170th. The wood generally used for railway sleepers is A. Mango, B. Kale, C. Bobble, D. Deodar. Correct option, B. Kyle. 171. The chief ingredient of a paint is A. Alcohol, B. Dryer, C. Oil, D. Pigment. Correct option, D. Pigment. 172. The liquid medium used in oil paints is A. Thinner, B. Alcohol, C. Linseed oil, D. Turpentine. Correct option, C. Linseed oil. 173. The pigment in paints is mixed to give desired A. Smoothness, B. Color, C. Appearance, D. Durability. Correct option, B. Color. 174. The liquid part of the paint is called A. Pigment, B. Vehicle, C. Solvent, D. Dryer. Correct option, B. Vehicle. 175. The liquid medium used in enamel paints is A. Thinner, B. Alcohol, C. Turpentine, D. Varnish. Correct option, D. Varnish. 176. The metallic oxide used in the form of powder in a paint is called A. Extender, B. Base, C. Vehicle, D. Dryer. Correct option, B. Base. 177. The base in a paint is added to A. Improve the quality of paint, B. Make smooth surface, C. Hide the surface to be painted, D. All of these. Correct option, C. Hide the surface to be painted. 178. The commonly base used in a paint is A. Iron oxide, B. Zinc oxide, C. Titanium white, D. Any one of these. Correct option, D. Any one of these. 179. The thinner used for oil paints is A. Water, B. Turpentine, C. carbon tetrachloride, D, any one of these. Correct option, B, turpentine. 180. Linseed oils in paint is used as A, base, B, thinner, C, carrier, D, pigment. Correct option, C, carrier. 181st. Linseed of is rapidly soluble in A, alcohol, B, turpentine, C, naphtha, D, all of these. Correct option, D, all of these. 182. The commonly used extender in paint is A, barium sulfate, B, gypsum, C, alcohol, D, any one of these. Correct option, D, any one of these. 183. The dryer in an oil paint should not be more than, by volumes, A, 5%, B, 10%, C, 15%, D, 20%. Correct option, B, 10%. 184. The commonly used solvent in oil paints is A, turpentine, B, naphtha, C, either A or B, D, none of these. Correct option, C, either A or B. 185. The best primer used for structural steelwork is A, white lead, B, red lead, C, zinc oxide, D, iron oxide. Correct option, B, red lead. 186. The vehicle used in bronze paints is usually A, linseed oil, B, naphtha, C, water, D, nitrocellulose lacquer. Correct option, D, nitrocellulose lacquer. 187. Bituminous paint consists of bitumen dissolved in A, spirit, B, naphtha, C, linseed oil, D, either A or B. Correct option, D, either A or B. 188. The bitumen paints are used for providing surface A, rough, B, smooth, C, protective. Correct option, C, protective. 189. The commonly used cement in cement paints is A, white cement, B, Portland cement, C, alumina cement, D, rapid hardening cement. Correct option, A, white cement. 190. The solvent used in cement paints is A, thinner, B, turpentine, C, water, D, spirit. Correct option, C, water. 191st. Snowsome is an oil paint. A, true, B, false. Correct option, B, false. 192. Enamel paint is made by adding A, white lead in varnish, B, bitumen in varnish, C, white lead in lacquer, D, zinc white in spirit. Correct option, A, white lead in varnish. 193. The paint which has high reflective property is A, cellulose paint, B, case-in paint, C, bronze paint, D, enamel paint. Correct option, C, bronze paint. 194. Which of the following paint is highly resistant to fire? A, cement paint, B, asbestos paint, C, aluminum paint, D, enamel paint. Correct option, B, asbestos paint. 195th. Lacquer paints are more durable than enamel paints. A, yes, B, no. Correct option, A, yes. 196. Spirit varnish consists of A, spirit and wax, B, spirit and shellac, C, turpentine, spirit and wax, D, turpentine, spirit and shellac. Correct option, B, spirit and shellac. 197. Distemper is used on A. Brick walls, B. Concrete surfaces, C. Plastered surfaces exposed to weather, D. Plastered surfaces not exposed to weather. Correct option D. Plastered surfaces not exposed to weather. 198. The base material for distemper is A. Chalk, B. Lime, C. Clay, D. Lime putty. Correct option A. Chalk. 199. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Stains used as paints have synthetic pigments. B. Stucco paints contain polyvinyl acetate. C. The solvent used in distempers is turpentine. D. All of the above. Correct option B. Stucco paints contain polyvinyl acetate. 200. Which of the following is not a basic building material? A. Wood, B. Cement, C. Sand, D. Plastic. Correct option D. Plastic. If you found this helpful, please like and share with your network. Drop your questions below, and subscribe to CivTech. Simplified for practical civil engineering made easy. Thank you.